Does Insight Quality Services offer additional services like transportation or translation? Like, let's say if I was to go by myself to the factory and I just needed help.
Typically, those types of things are handled by the factory themselves. So oftentimes we see factories that will assist their customers with things like booking hotels, or they'll provide transportation to and from the factory. So that's not necessarily something that we would do, but that the factory would do.
Good answer. Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.